In 2099, AI and robots control the world. Humanity is fading. But there is one last hope.
I made it back. My head. I remember now. It's 2026. I'm in my lab right now. In this lab, we will explore the technologies behind electronics and embedded systems. KuoQuo builds production-level debugging tools that help people learn and understand how commercial products work. Let's start building beyond prototypes. Please like and subscribe to KuoQuo. I'll be posting exciting open source projects about electronics and embedded systems.